Okay, let's move on to the chorus, which is the heaviest part of the song. So the overdrive has already kicked in, and this is more of a fuzz type of distortion here. So for now, let me just play a normal chorus at the full speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So it's a long section, isn't it? It's quite repetitive though. We've got 6 repeats in the beginning of the same chord progression. And what's that going to be? A power chord twice. Considerably loud picking, as you notice. I'm really digging into the strings for this part. And then I've got something new here. This is a semitone bend on the 4th fret of the G string. And it's a slow bend. It's almost like a blues curl. And I want to cut it short with my pick, so I want to just get rid of the, release or returning note. I don't want to hear that. Again. And then I've got the same note added to this F power chord. Right? And what happens next? Just low D string. And a variation of our normal riff or idea, if you like, which is going out throughout the song. With a slide 3rd fret on the A, skipping a string and going to that bend. The slow bend. So that's the first sort of chord progression, or part A, if you like, of the chorus, which repeats 6 times. The next part goes to the F power chord. 8 downstrokes here, so it's all 8 notes. Down to an A power chord, a D power chord. And I'm playing 3 strings, open D power chord, then just 1 more stroke on the open D. And I'm getting ready to play, again, that 4th fret bend. Now this is a different pattern, isn't it? I've got 4 strokes. And here I'm bending upwards, for example. 3 strokes with the sort of bend semitone note, and then the last one is on the original note while I'm sort of climbing down. And yeah, that's what happens here. And the second time around, we're going to... So that's the original riff, more or less, isn't it? Again, 8 downstrokes on that F power chord, down to a low D, just a low D.